Hey guys, it's Matt here with Solas Propellers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our RBX-116 Hub Kit. Let's get started. First thing, you're going to want to make sure that you have an empty prop shaft. You're going to want to take off all the old hardware because the only thing you're going to be reusing is the locking nut and the cotter pin. First thing, the RBX thrust washer. And this is followed by the RBX propeller. The next we have the RBX Aft Spacer. Then we have the locking nut. And for the exact torque foot-pounds that you'll need, you're going to want to check your engine's owner manual for this. And lastly here, we have your cotter pin.